Bruxism is clenching or grinding of the teeth that is based on the unconscious and repetitive contraction of the very large muscles of mastication, or chewing muscles. The temporalis and masseter muscles can generate up to 150 pounds of pressure between the teeth. This non-functional and continuous contact of the teeth will eventually cause wear on the external hard surface of the tooth, called the enamel. Tooth wear can extend into the soft, inside layer of the tooth, called the dentin. The extent of wear is dependent on the amount of grinding and can be more severe in people who grind in their sleep. When you clench and grind, damaging pressure and forces are abnormally distributed on the teeth. These heavy forces can cause flat front teeth, chipped or fractured front teeth, and teeth chipped at the gum line. Over time, the heavy pressure and grinding motion wear down the back teeth and cause them to chip, crack, and break down. Many people are unaware that they grind their teeth and don't have any symptoms. Others will experience jaw and facial pain, difficulty opening and closing, and sensitive teeth or headaches. Excessive tooth wear can cause many oral health complications such as jagged and chipped teeth, brown and unattractive teeth, tooth pain and sensitivity, and eventual tooth loss. Don't be too alarmed if you hear your child grinding or clenching their teeth. Bruxism is common in children, and most will outgrow it. Experts are unsure what causes it, but many believe the misalignment of the child's teeth, stress, hyperactivity, and some medical conditions may cause bruxism. Make sure your doctor examines your child's teeth to help manage their habit. If you think you clench or grind your teeth, it is important to proactively discuss any treatment options that may help prevent further damage. Your doctor's treatment will vary based on the extent of damage to your teeth, the location of the wear on your teeth, and when it is detected.